In this video we will learn how we can create a new invoice. You may need a new invoice if you want payment or if you want to transfer payments. For that we need to create a new module known as invoice. So go to module and install a new module. Here you can see the settings. Click on site settings. Here you can see on the left modules are visible. Click on modules. Now you can see the module section is visible here. Here you can see the default modules are visible. Now we need to add a new module. Click on install new module. So here you can see we have reached the section to install a new module. Here we will browse the new module. First we will download the zip file. Here you can see the official website of invoice module. Here you can see, here you can learn about its features. At the bottom you can see the downloadable link is visible. Click on it. Here you can see it is asking for saving, so click on OK. On the left you can see it has been downloaded. So now we will upload that zip file. So go to the page again. Here you can see click on browse. Here you can see that the invoice module is visible. Click on it and from here click on open. Now you can see it is visible here. Click on install. Here you can see it is installing. Now you can see it has been installed successfully. Now click on enable newly added modules. Now we will search the module invoice here. Here you can see the module section. Now we will type invoice and let's see what happens. Here you can see I have typed invoice. Now the invoice module is visible, which we have just installed. Now to enable it, just drag it. Here you can see after doing the changes, click on save configuration to enable the module. So our invoice module is now enabled. Now click on site settings. Here you can see some options are visible. On the left you can see the configuration options are visible. Click on it. So now you can see the configuration options are visible. Here you can check. Under system you can see invoice section is visible. Click on it. Now you can see the invoice settings are visible. Through this you can easily create an invoice, but the settings are quite important. Here is the locale, we will keep it as default, which is UTF-8. Here is a date format, which we can easily change. The default VAT percentage, we can easily change it. The pay limit, this is the limit in days, like you can pay within 14 days. The invoice number 0 fill, it means that if your invoice number is 001, then you can add 3 here. If let's say it is 00001, then you can include 4 here. In the same way, right now I am keeping it as 4 only. Here is the invoice numbers prefix, that will include percentage Y, that means year. Here you can add new columns. If you want to include VAT also, you can add it. Here are the supplier details. Here you need to add the name of the company, the state, building number and all other details. Here you can also add the VAT number for more details. Here are the API details and the template. Right now only the default template is visible, so go for it. These are the template settings, the default settings. If you won't touch it, then it will by default go for the settings available above, which we have just changed. These are the same settings, but you can keep it as different. After doing the changes, just click on submit. So in this video we learned how we can work upon the invoice settings and create a new invoice. We also learned that what all settings are available through which we can easily create an awesome invoice. Thank you for watching.